got another unboxing, opening and review film for you. Because I've bought a La Hacienda Monterrey Steel Chimenea. Okay, I bought this from Homebase. It was £86 on click and collect. Let's have a look inside it. Just cutting the top. So the packaging is pretty robust. So as you can see, this is all quite well packaged, and there's going to be lots of bits and pieces in there. There's going to be some construction required, absolutely. So there's a bit here. Opening a present. So we have a grill bit just there. Underneath the grill bit, a bit of cardboard. And here is what looks like the chimney. And then there are other bits and pieces here. So I think I'm going to need to get everything out of the box, onto the table and unpackage. I'll get back to you and show you what I've got. Okay, there was an awful lot of packaging, and that's because there is an awful lot of chiminea. I was hoping this was going to be a 5-minute job putting this together, but looking at the number of nuts and bolts and so forth, this is definitely going to take quite a while longer. So there's the assembly diagram which I've got to follow, and there's all the parts list just there. That's literally it as far as the instructions go. Minimalist. So watching me put this together probably isn't going to be the most exciting thing in the world, although it will involve a lot of swearing, definitely. But what I'm going to do actually instead is just put my oversized Stormtrooper's helmet on and play fancy dress. No, I'm not. I'm going to put this together in time lapse because, let's face it, you watching me struggle with a screwdriver isn't that much fun. So I'll catch you in a bit. I'm not kidding, right? That was an absolute pain in the backside. It's exactly like when you buy rattan furniture for your garden and you think, yeah, I'll put that together because it looks really nice. And then when you put it together, you realise what a pain in the backside it is and how poor quality it is. This is exactly the same. Whoever planned this thing needs to be in the next Batman film because they're definitely a joker. It's absolutely poor quality. Look at this. Right, that door, it just hangs. You've got to literally pull it up and get it over. Can you imagine when this is hot trying to do that? It's rubbish, absolutely rubbish. So I would not recommend buying one of these things. And honestly, if I could be bothered to take it apart and put it back in the box, I'd be taking it back. But I cannot be bothered, in all honesty. So I'm going to light it and see what it looks like. But my advice to you is, if you're thinking about getting a chiminea, get one of the ceramic ones that's already put together, because this is a pain in the bum. Right, I need to see this through till the bitter end. So I'm going to get some paper and wood in there, and then we'll get it lit. So I've picked a good night for doing this because everybody's windows are closed. It's actually quite a cool summer evening. Right, that's the view down. Actually, this needs to come off now. And as you can see, I've got wooden, cardboard and paper inside, so underneath the metal is where I'm going to light it with paper. And then I've got kindling and then bigger pieces of wood on top. See how it goes. There we go. Hold that. Yeah, I definitely need fireproof gloves once this is going. I'll tell you what might be good, when the fire's died down, chucking a burger on top. Well, it's caught straight away anyway, the wood's really dry. I can feel the heat from here. It's definitely smoking a bit more out the front than I'd have liked it to do. That said, there's not tons of sparks coming out of the chimney, and that's a good thing. Definitely see a heat mirage coming out of the chimney. Anyway, cheers folks. I think I've earned this. And we've got flames coming out the top now. It's like the Flying Scotsman. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Home and Garden production. You can find more by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. I'd just like to say thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for watching my films. It really is very much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive future updates about the home and garden films which I upload. You can find my YouTube channel by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. Please click on the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you press that also, then you'll get future updates about the films which I upload. If you like my films, if you like my style of filming, then you might also like my travel channel, which you will find by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss or type in www.mosstravel.tv. Again, if you could subscribe to that channel, it would be hugely appreciated. If you'd like to get Moss Home and Garden updates on Facebook, then please open Facebook and do a search for Moss Home and Garden, and you will find the page. If you like the page, then you will get future updates on there. And if you'd like to connect on Instagram for home, garden and travel photography, as well as some stories, then my username is Stu Moss, STUMOSS. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, then my username is @StuartMoss. And if you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on stewmosshomegarden@gmail.com. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my films. I do appreciate it. I'd just like you all to have a great day.